and the US dollar at this particular year, it was at 23, almost 24%, but at the end to the big drop, but before to get to this point, the dollar gained about 4%, almost 5% here, 4.65 to be exact right here, before to drop all the way over here and happen once again right up here, happen exact the same thing, drop in 2009 to have a drop of 17%, 17.24%, but before to get to 17.24%, we have a gain of 4.32% before the final drop. And once again, in the future, happened once again. It was a drop of, in 2010, we have a drop in price 18.20%, but before to get to this percentage, dollar gained 6.65% before to get to the final drop. And we can go closer and closer and closer, and we're gonna see pretty much a pattern that the dollar does when have a big drops. Let's take a look in 2017. In 2017, we have a drop of 15%, but before to get to the 15%, dollar gained 4.76% to the uptrend to the final drop right here. Hopefully, I've been kind of clear in this information, guys, because right now we are in pretty much in the same situation, and I just want you guys to understand very, very well what I am explaining to you. I hope this information till now it's clear. Let's take a look today. Let's take a look today. Obviously, we are not dropping 14.31%. Let's take a look right here. It's almost, it was a little, actually 15%. Let's round numbers, 15%. Right here, if we get to 14, almost 15% right here, we are talking about to touch this support level. And let's check from the top. In March, when the pandemic started, everything went down until recent days. And if you notice, I'm gonna move this right here, and we have up to here, we have only 10%. But since all the data I give it to you already, we're probably expecting this drop up to here, which, to be honest, I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but based on the data that I already show you, I don't know if it's gonna happen. I mean, I can see the future, but based on the trends that the dollar is, the moves that dollar is being doing it in the past, maybe it's gonna happen. But let's take a look right here, guys. 15%, we're talking about right here, 15% drop. Before the big drop, like I explained it to you earlier, I want you to pay attention right here. Right here, I put this indicator. From here, if you notice, from here, we have the over a little bit more than 4%, which is the average that the dollar gained to the uptrend to make the final drop over here. So we are up here in support level, and then we have right here this strong resistance in price. If you look at this resistance match with the over a little bit of 4% of gain in price, and the dollar US currency index. So my question is, the dollar have enough strength to get a 4%, a little bit over than 4%? I'm not sure, but based on the data that I give it to you already, right here is the 4%, guys. And then maybe it's gonna test this resistance and then make the big drop to get to the 15% drop in price, which is kind of an average when the dollar drops. And another important thing you need to consider is that, remember, election days is around the corner. Okay guys, since you already have a better idea about what the dollar did in previous years, let's get focused in present days. Like I told you earlier, we have two strong support levels right here, the green line right here and the blue trend line right up here. Price may touch this strong support area and resume the price, and this blue box, the price may move first inside the blue box before make the final move to the uptrend or downtrend. So right now the price is trying to touch the strong support level. Now I'm gonna give you both sides of the coin that you can pay attention, and we can wait until the price give us a better and clear idea what the dollar is going to do. Let's take a look first to the long term. Let's see if the price find support at 94, which is right here in this green line, 94. That is going to be a good opportunity to go long and test resistance number 1. Obviously, I have resistance number 2 and I have a resistance number 3, but let's get focused first in resistance number 1, because we have a trend line and a resistance price right here, which means it's going to be also a strong resistance price prior to go to the uptrend, or have a resistance and go to the downside. That is the first option that we have to go long. But like I said, we need to make sure that we need to be patient, guys. Don't get too much emotional about what you guys want to do, because probably dollar is going to trap buyers and sellers before dollar make the final move. So be patient and find a better opportunity to make your last decision. Okay guys, this was the first option to go long, and now let's take a look at the other side of the coin to go short. If the price closed below 94 and test with 94, remember is the green line, and tested resistance, which is right here, go here and then move up and test resistance, that is going to be a good opportunity to go short. Price most likely will go down to hit the mid 93 support, which is right here, the mid 93, which is our first support, number 1 support. And then by the time we are going to check if the price is gonna get a support here and move and test 94, and then maybe drop to the downside. And we have our third, I didn't mark it like a support number 3, but we have another support here. And remember what I was telling you before, the price can drop up to 15%. Like I show you right up here. Remember guys, a reminder, election day is around the corner. Once again, I don't know if the dollar have enough strength to come over here and test this resistance price to get 4%, 4.5%, and then make the final drop and get to up here. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but we will wait and see what happened. Guys, if this video was helpful for you guys, please give a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more updates in Forex market. I really wish you a very nice night. Take care. I wish you an extraordinary and profitable weekend. See you in the next video. Gracias amigos, nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you so much guys, take care, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much for attending this video.